Hi guys, today we're taking a look at our units of measurement and we're taking a look at length. So today it's going to be metric units that we're taking a look at. So first we're going to do a little bit of review and then we're going to do an online activity that I want you all to participate in. So first let's ask ourselves, why do we need to know this and how is it going to impact me in the real world? So first of all, there's going to be many times where you're going to want to measure water. And this will happen in the science lab, cooking, and baking. So you're going to want to know, how do I go from a milliliter to a liter to a cup? These are things that you're going to want to know. So it is important to have these skills. So we're going to take a look at a review. All right, so taking a look right here, these are our units of measurement. So right here, we're going from kilometers to meters, meters to centimeters, meters to millimeters, and centimeters to millimeters. And if you take a look at the picture below, this just kind of represents how large these units are in real life. So a millimeter is a pencil point. If you can actually look at your own pencil, this is really tiny. A centimeter is a pinky width. A meter is a bit more than 3 floor tiles, and kilometer is driving distance. So if you can compare a millimeter to kilometer, you can really see the difference size-wise. And right here is more conversion charts, which has more units on here, as well as this little chart below. And if you want to take a screenshot on an Apple computer, it's Command-Shift-4. Feel free to do so because these are great references to come to if you ever feel stuck on a unit of measurement. So go ahead and do so if you want. And now we're going to move on to our online activity. All right, so you're going to go to Google and then type in mathgames.com. It'll pull you up right here, so go ahead and click on this. You're going to scroll all the way down, practice math by grade, grade 4. Click on that. You're going to scroll all the way down to measurement, and I want you guys to start with 4.7, compare and convert customary units. Go ahead and click on that. And I want you to get started. And it starts with an ad, so I'm not going to play it. But it's going to ask you things like compare a kilometer to a meter or compare a centimeter to a meter. And if you ever feel like you need extra help, try this video tutorial. If you click on that, there is a person that will go through step by step with you on these things. So this is a great learning opportunity for yourself.
Let's take a look at how to compare and convert customary units.
So right here, it's going miles to feet. This is a great resource. So I will let you guys get started on that and just complete the whole unit right here. And then for every right answer, it'll give you a green star. So go ahead and complete that and have fun. And if you need any help, I am always here for you.